If you know me, you know I love skincare. I gotta make sure that like everything is moisturized, you feel me? So with that being said, I wanted to share with you guys an amazing oil from a black owned company named Ancient Cosmetics. Now these oils are so great. Like it literally has my skin looking really glowy for the summer. Hydrated. Ooh, I need some water though. Like just ultimately like just super healthy, beautiful skin. The ingredients are natural, so that's a win-win too. And there's like so many different, it's not only oils, but I got a scrub as well. I'll go through all the products. The first one, which is also my favorite because it's my favorite fruit, if y'all could guess, is Island Mango. So this is the Island Mango. It smells amazing. It smells so freaking good, guys. So this has safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, which are all like A1. It's literally all my oils combined in one. So I don't have to go and like mix them all up myself because usually that's what I do. So this is a win-win. It smells delicious, just like the fruit mango. So yeah, I'm living for it. And then the second one I got is Popping Papaya. This one really like gives your skin the glow it needs. It smells super great as well. I really use this one when I'm like coming out of the shower. Compared to like the Island Mango, I more so use that one when I'm going like to the beach or something. Then we have Blueberry and Mere, I think that's how you pronounce it, body oil. But this one smells amazing as well. They all smell good. It smells just like blueberries. Island Mango body scrub. The colors of this already just had me hype. It just really had me hype. Like, it's just so pretty. But this is like a lot of natural oils blended together. Let me read off the ingredients real quick. So we have pure cane sugar, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, emulsifying wax. I need to go back to school. Green mica. Yeah, pretty much. But a lot of natural oils. It's made in the US. And this scrub is amazing. Before you even put the oils on, you gotta scrub so you get rid of all your dead skin. It leaves your skin feeling extremely soft, rejuvenated, and then you go in with the oil to replenish and add back those oils. I'm in love with them. Go check them out on Instagram at Ancient Cosmetics, their website. Everything will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts or any questions that you have about these products. All right, guys, that's it for today.